Red Dutchess Farm. I'm Mark. Today's project is changing out the fire brick in the wood stove. This is a Vogelzang Ponderosa. It's about 5 years old. I bought it a year or two before Danny and Wanda bought their Ponderosa. They've got the exact same stove that we've got. And not to do anything way ahead of time, we're talking 34 degrees here over the weekend, and I'm going to be at the Homesteaders of America conference, and Jamie may want to build a fire while I'm gone. So we'll get this fire brick changed out.
Hopefully you can see where some of these fire brick are cracked. Many of them are cracked, and some of them on the floor there are cracked. So several of them need to be replaced. We have replaced some in the past, one here and one there, and this year I'm just going to take them all out, clean the inside of the stove out good, and we'll just replace all of them.
And as you can see, they just kind of break up whenever you start pulling them out of there. So now we'll get this cleaned out and be ready to start back in with fire brick. We've got some to cut, and I will show you the process that we are using to cut the fire brick. I tried using a metal cut-off saw last year to cut some, and wouldn't do the job. So we've got it figured out this year.
So we have all the fire brick out of it. We've got it vacuumed and swept out, and we're ready to start putting fire brick back in.
Putting fire brick back in is a pretty straightforward process. I can see little spots here where evidently they've had the bottom ones some kind of an adhesive on them. We're not going to do that, and you just simply place these back in here. And then we have to recut these small pieces that fill in the gaps. The pieces on the sides, there's a metal lip up here at the top, and these just simply set on the bottom block. You slide them up and they set down, and that's what holds them in place. So like back here on the back where we've got the new fire brick in, and that's the way they go in there. Now let's go cut some pieces to fill in some of these blanks. This is a wet saw for cutting ceramic tile, porcelain tile, marble, that sort of thing. It's got a regular blade on it made to cut tile, and it runs in a water bath. I don't know if you can see the water in here. And that's why the right side of my shirt was wet whenever we started shooting this video, because I'd already tried this out. So we simply take the piece that we're wanting to make a new one, mark it off on a new piece of fire brick,
and I'll show you the process of cutting it. And there we have a new piece. That should fit. There was a little leeway there. And I will cut out the rest of these pieces and we will put this back together. There's the new Firebrick in the back. Kind of got good news and bad news on the Firebrick. Got all of the smaller pieces cut with the wet saw, so I'm completely finished. And I'd asked Jamie to pick up 14 new Firebrick. I really didn't get in here and count. And 14 new Firebricks, not even close. So everything in the back is all new. And then this stuff at the front, I need 8 more Firebrick, full-sized ones, to replace everything. So next time we're in town, we'll get the extra Firebrick. Something else I want to show you while we're doing the stove, of course, we will take the stovepipe down and clean it before we build a fire. But I thought I would show you real quick how to clean this nasty looking door up, or at least how we do it. So let me show you that real quick. So I'm just going to use, it's a Melaleuca product, just kind of a general household cleaner. I'll spray that on. And then we use a really fine steel wool. That's 0000. And I can hear Jamie talking upstairs. She's either talking to herself or making a YouTube video, it sounds like. Just kind of have to work this a little bit where it's really baked on there. Of course, this has been setting all summer. And I don't always worry about getting it perfect, just simply because it's just going to get black again. Especially here in the fall when you're not burning a real hot fire. A real hot fire seems to keep it cleaned off better than just a slower smoldering fire. But that's how we clean the glass on our stove doors. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell to get notifications when we put up new videos. And I sure thank everyone for watching. Have a great day from Red Dutchess Farm.